Acne is one of the most common skin problems in the world, that affects about 75% of the people more or less in their lifetime. Usual medical acne treatments can be expensive, and often have unwanted side effects like dryness, redness, or irritation. On the other side, natural treatments can be inexpensive, convenient, and harmless. In today's video, we will explore 4 best home remedies that you might want to try to get rid of your acne fast and naturally. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and tips. How to get rid of acne in 1 week. Cinnamon mask. Cinnamon is an excellent source of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. And it has the amazing ability to fight bacteria and reduce inflammation, which are 2 factors that trigger acne. Mix 2 tablespoons honey and 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder to form a paste. Apply the mask to your face, and leave it on for 15 minutes. Then rinse off with water. Witch hazel. Witch hazel contains tannins, which have strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It has been used for years to treat skin conditions like eczema, burns, bruises, insect bites, acne, and more. Combine 1 tablespoon witch hazel bark with 1 cup water in a small saucepan. Soak it for 30 minutes and then boil it on low heat for 10 minutes. Remove the mixture from the heat and let sit for another 10 minutes. Strain and apply to clean skin using a cotton ball 2 times per day. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation is the process of removing the top layer of dead skin cells, which clogs the pores and develop acne. Mix equal parts of sugar and coconut oil. Scrub skin with the mixture and rinse well. Repeat once daily. Mint face pack. Mint can be your skin's best friend. This herb not only eliminates breakouts, but also clears your skin of infection, and keeps it glowing and healthy. Crush 10 mint leaves and 10 basil leaves together. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and make a smooth paste. Apply this on your face and leave it on for 30 minutes. Then wash off. Repeat daily. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it for your healthy lifestyle collection. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.